Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Christian. Then we're going to do another update about what's happening currently for the Bitcoin price, because guys, as you can clearly see, before a couple hours we experienced a very low price for the Bitcoin, which was exactly the area of $21,390. We actually broke out the limit of $21,400, and guys, the most important, we had broke out the $21,500, but right now the price is above this massive support, which is the $21,500. Is very strong support, guys, and I told you at the time that we're gonna break and actually confirm it by staying below and actually under this $21,500, then we would have an insane bearish situation. But also, guys, right now you can clearly see that we saw some slightly pump at $21,650, and guys, we're retesting the previous support right now as a resistance, so that indicates a huge reversal in the case that we're gonna find big weakness here, because as you can clearly understand, the time that we broke this very insane support, we experienced this insane dump on the Bitcoin price. And of course, this support, guys, it was this bear flag, which I actually explained you yesterday, and I predict you and I warn you for this kind of rejection, because yesterday we had touched the $22,000 area, and most of other YouTubers out there told you that this actually is probably a huge impulsive move that's right now beginning. But guys, it was exactly the opposite. That's why I shared with you on my YouTube video, the last Bitcoin video, and also in my Twitter. That's why you should follow my Twitter, that here we have a beautiful formation of a bear flag, and be very careful, because we can see a huge rejection and breakout on this support, which actually it happened before a couple hours, exactly as I predicted. So guys, on this video I'm gonna summarize what we're gonna see. We're gonna see where we're gonna get on a short term, all the price targets of the patterns, and also in the mid long term where we are heading exactly, with indicator proofs and all the things that you will need to know, okay, and all the supports that play big role for the next free fall that probably gonna experience. So guys, if you would like to know all these things, all you have to do is to stay tuned until the end of the video. And before we jump to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, guys, because with this way you are helping me so much to push the video to more people via YouTube algorithm, and with a very simple process of a daily like, daily comments, and share with your friends, you are actually helping me a lot, and appreciate you for this help from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to everyone. And let's dive straight, guys, to our analysis in the 4-hour time frame, to begin with this bear flag, which is right now playing the biggest role on this current pattern analysis, because previously we had this double top position, guys, and we had the baseline at $22,750. And guys, I told you that as you can clearly see, we had retested here, we bounced a little bit to the upside, but then we came back with an insane rejection, and we broke finally this massive support of $22,750. So guys, as you can clearly see, I'm gonna give you immediately, and I'm gonna jump straight to the bear flag. I'm gonna give you the technical price target of this double top, which you can clearly see is the $21,250. I analyzed this yesterday, but I'm gonna analyze again, guys, because as we know, we have some new viewers each day, so I need to inform those new viewers about what's happening currently. So we have the $21,250, and keep this very well in your mind, this technical price target, because we're gonna need this number in the next chart, which is this here, which is gonna explain the supports. So here, guys, we had this bear flag, and beautifully here yesterday we reached the resistance, we retested, and I told you beware that this is not the beginning of the impulsive move that most moon boys were telling you yesterday. This is a very strong resistance that probably 90% we're gonna see a reversal, which actually happened exactly. And you can clearly see, not even we saw the reversal to the support, we saw also the breakout that actually bring the Bitcoin price at very low numbers, actually the lowest that we were standing, which was the $21,390. And right now, guys, we're retesting here very beautifully the previous support as a resistance. Look at this. If I zoom in a little bit, you're gonna see this more clearly, that right now we're retesting the previous support as a resistance, which for me this indicates me a furthermore rejection from time to time. And probably if we're gonna see the next rejection, we're gonna get straight to $21,250 like a free fall. Okay, I highly believe that we're gonna see a huge candle straight to this $21,250, which I'm gonna tell you in a very few why this number is very important. So I'm gonna zoom out here, okay, and I'm gonna show you right now why this is very important. So on this chart, first of all, we have a technical price target of this rise wedge pattern, which also was one of the main patterns that I started telling you that all this kind of pump is the biggest bull trap, and this kind of pump is going to expose as the biggest bull trap. And you can clearly see that already we have take the down road, and we're going to start moving, especially from to the next coming days that's coming. Tomorrow probably going to have a very big volatility on the Bitcoin price. So afterwards, I believe that we're going to see huge rejection, and I have lots of proofs to show you from the technical analysis and also from the fundamental. Guys, you can clearly see that the technical price target of this rise wedge pattern is exactly the $20,600. I showed you this also yesterday, and of course in my previous videos, because I had analyzed this rise wedge pattern, as I told you, for many days. And guys, right now the most important thing here is actually in the 4-hour time frame to surpass this $21,500, because these are keeping us, as we can clearly see, very strong to the upside. But if we're gonna close a candle in the 4-hour time frame below the $21,500, then you're gonna see Bitcoin getting straight to this $21,250, which, if you remember, is the technical price target, guys, of this double top position, which we analyze. And of course, if we're gonna break the $21,500, we're gonna get back to this $21,250, which is a very strong support area, which was retested here the Bitcoin, as you can clearly see, previously as a resistance. Right now we're gonna retest it as a support. And if guys we're gonna see this massive breakout on this $21,250, we're gonna see Bitcoin collapsing into a price probably under $20,000 into very fast path. So of course we're gonna reach this rise wedge pattern technical price target the time that we're gonna break this massive orange line. So guys, before I will show you the indicators, the update of indicators, guys, you can look here the descending broadening wedge, which I told you when we were back to $23,000 that we're gonna see this formation, that we're gonna follow this kind of trajectory on this weekly time frame. And I highly believe this scenario to see a very big crash, which is gonna be the last one. This is gonna be the last one, the last pump, the last capitulation, back to a level which I believe is the worst case scenario, which is gonna be the 14, 13 or $12,000. This is my worst case scenario. And afterwards, subsequently, we're gonna continue with a big reversal. That's gonna mean officially end of the bear market. Because guys, the time that we're gonna break this massive resistance area of this descending broadening wedge, then it's gonna be an officially bear market, the end of the bear market. Okay, and actually the officially beginning of the bull run. And afterwards, of course, we're gonna get all the benefits when the Bitcoin price pumped to the upside over $30,000-$40,000. All the DCA that we had done here, guys, we're gonna get it into many X's in our portfolio. So be ready for these things. We're gonna get crazy well gains back when the bull run is gonna come. Probably the minimum I can see in the next bull run Bitcoin, guys, is 100K. So we're talking for for lots of gains on these prices, at least 5x and maximum 15x. So beware. So be ready for this. Prepare for these prices. We're gonna build crazy portfolio in the next bull run. And guys, right now I would like to show you the most important things, which is the indicators that's flashing very bearish, and most people ignore them. We have 4-hour time frame, as you know, the EMA ribbon flipped many days ago, and the 8-hour, guys, is flashing. We need a little bit more damp on the price. When we actually gonna touch the $21,250, it's gonna be the official bearish EMA ribbon at 8-hour time frame. Also in the 4-hour time frame we have this very important exponential moving average 15,200, which we will need a little bit more rejection, probably with a breakout of $21,250. We're gonna see this exponential moving average flip, and that's of course gonna create an insane bearish situation for the Bitcoin. It's gonna collapse the price, I believe, under $20,000 very easily, the time that we're gonna see the exponential moving average cross in the 4-hour time frame. And guys, do not forget that we have here the death cross, the biggest death cross that ever happened, and actually is the first death cross on the exponential moving average 15,200 in the weekly time frame. It's the first time that ever happened, this kind of death cross. And guys, beware, because when we're gonna see the red line getting under of the blue line in a very big distinct, then we're gonna see this free fall on the price. And I highly believe that this is a death cross that's gonna play out, because the fundamentals are bearish, everything is looking bearish, and I don't believe, and I don't have any anticipation to the moon boys that's telling you that after tomorrow meeting we're gonna see a pump and we're gonna finish the bear market. I don't believe this scenario. Okay, I believe the scenario that I told you. So guys, keep your DCA, keep doing DCA. If I told you, my strategy is to start DCAing from now, and if you see the Bitcoin price getting into $18,000, $17,000, double down. If you see the price of Bitcoin getting back to previous bottom 16,000, 15,000, triple down. If you get, guys, if we get into a new bottom, go all in blindly. Don't matter if it's 14, 13, 12, 11. For me personally, it doesn't matter. The risk here is very minimum, and the reward is gonna be insane and almost instantly, because with this reversal you're gonna get almost, if you buy all in here after a new bottom, of course, when we're gonna see the reversal, we're gonna get insane profits back. So that's why I'm telling you to buy blindly. If not blindly to go all in when we're gonna see the next reversal to the upside. Of course, I'm not financial advisor. This is exactly what I'm doing and what I will do. And that's all, guys. Let me know if you have any question on this video. Of course, follow me on Twitter. It's very important to follow me on Twitter, because there I analyze deeply, and I'm updating you there, guys, with every tweet and every news that emerge from nowhere. That's why it's very important to follow me if you are serious on this crypto space. And guys, that's that I would like to tell you. See you tomorrow with fresh updates. Until tomorrow, guys, your boy Chris out.